Welcome to another episode of Mobile Meals. Steve Duval and Tom Shaw from Thor Motor Coach. We are excited to be with you once again in our kitchen.
Yep.
And I know you're not excited about what we're making, and I'll be honest, a lot of times we pick and choose. Tom's like, I want to make this, I'm going to make this, I'm going to make this. And I like stuffed mushrooms, and Tom likes...
They taste like feet.
He thinks they taste like feet. Horrible feet. So he is going to humor us today and play along just to make these stuffed mushrooms. It's a little more elaborate. There's a couple things you need to do. You have a food processor, but we're going to go ahead, we're going to get things started. We're going to saute our sweet Italian sausage. I know you like sweet Italian sausage. Maybe we'll put a little to the side. We'll make a burger for you because we have red peppers and onions and garlic and cheese.
It smells great in here.
All right, let's go ahead and start our sausage. Put a little oil in the bottom. All right, Tom, plop the sausage in the pan.
We put it in chunks of the whole
Nah, you just put it in like that. Look at that, sweet Italian sausage. We're gonna go ahead and we're going to put what we need to put into our food processor, which will be the peppers, the onions, the garlics, and the mushroom cap. So in our food processor, we're going to go ahead and we're going to put in our peppers, in our onions. We may have to do this in doses. We got some garlic. That's probably good on the peppers, and parsley goes in at the end. We mix that into the sausage, and we got our mushroom caps here. Let's chop away. Chop away. Chop it all. Sausage is done, so go ahead and let's scoop this mixture right in here. And you're going to mix this up and go ahead and heat it thoroughly. So the vegetables are soft and mixed in. Tom, why don't you go ahead and dump that parsley in there, give it some color and a little bit of flavor. Thank you, sir.
Yep.
And you go ahead and you mix this together. Nice and blended. We got a lot of vegetables in here, but you know what one's the king? Elvis parsley. I love a good portobello. I like to grill them, put them on a burger. All right, we're gonna remove this from the heat. We got a spoon. We go ahead and we scoop the mixture right into the mushrooms. We got our convection microwave preheated to 350 degrees, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna put a little cheese on this. You would probably like, if I fill this up, I bet you would enjoy just the sausage and pepper mix.
Full of that.
You probably could. You know what? I'll save you some. How's that sound?
All right.
That's good. That didn't get evenly dispersed. Go ahead and throw some mozzarella on these babies.
All right.
Now go ahead and save this for you. Eat it on a bun, we'll slap it Joe. So we're gonna throw these into the oven for about 15 minutes until that cheese is nice and bubbly and the mushrooms are cooked through. Again, we have parchment paper on the bottom, so cleanup is nice and easy. In you go.
Put it back away.
All right, we'll see you in about 15 minutes. And we're back.
Bing.
All right, microwave is done. This has been 15 minutes. And again, Tom's hatred for mushrooms, but man, I am just the messy person. But there we go, look at that. You got your sausage, you got a nice cooked mushroom, cheese, peppers. If you're into mushroom caps, try this recipe, the entire recipe for you right at the end of this video. Tom will never make it that far. But the sausage mixture was good, right? With the peppers, yeah. So you like that. I'm gonna give this a 3 on the ARIA scale because there's a little bit of prep and you have the food processor and whatnot, and it always helps. So again, check out the entire recipe. Check out all of our other mobile meal episodes. Tom's created a playlist on our YouTube channel. If you haven't liked and subscribed, go ahead, please do. Hit the little bell button as well. That way you get an alert when we're doing a cooking segment or when we're releasing a featured floor plan.
Live videos.
All kinds of great videos coming your way on our YouTube channel. Head over to our Facebook page. If you haven't done that, go ahead, like and subscribe there as well. That way, you know, we have Instagram, we have Pinterest.
Follow us on the Twitter.
Yes, on the Twitter as well. So follow us throughout social media. Enjoy your time in the kitchen. 3 ARIAs, and we will see you next time on Mobile Meals.